Hi all, my name is Jesus, co-founder of MapScratched, and today I will show you a very quick tutorial on how to use our platform to create your own personalized travel profile. You can access the platform by the browser in app.mapscratched.com, and you can sign in with either a Google account or a email account. After logging in, you will be directed to the profile settings where you can add more information about you, so say profile photo, your username, travel type, bio, some social links. Just don't forget to click on the edit icon for you to make a change, otherwise it won't display or save. You can also navigate to your location and languages to put the language that you speak and the country of residence for you to identify other users that live in a country that you want to move to, or vice versa. And also the map settings where you can select your preferred color map style. After finishing your profile settings, you can navigate to your own profile by clicking on the top right icon of yourself, your name and profile. This will direct you to your own profile page. The information that you introduce in the settings will be displayed in your profile page, but also you can use it to add countries to your digital scratch world map that MapScratched offers. It's just as easy as selecting a country and selecting the cities that you want or have visited. You also have a tabular form to see all the countries and cities that you have visited in the Visit Countries tab, where you can also add more information about that particular trip or visit, such as a photo cover image, when you last visited it, and some ratings. This was actually very clean. And as well as seeing your followers and the people that you follow, and a gallery where all those photo covers are stored by city and country. You can filter all of them by a country or the year that you visited, so that they are easier to find. Last but not least, you'll be able to see other people's profiles and where they have been in the Discover page. Here you can see all the users that are currently registered in MapScratched. This is yet to be improved, but you can also see where all these countries they have been to and how they rate a particular place that maybe you haven't yet visited. We are continuing to improve and develop further this platform so that you can explore the world in a better way. And you can leave some feedback just by going to settings, help, and help request. Just send us whatever suggestions you may have or whatever you think of the page, and we will look into it because we do listen. Thank you very much for listening, and unlock the world with MapScratched.